Hey guys, today we're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we're standing in front of Marshall's Creek Rest Motel, one of the highest rated motels or places to stay here in Gatlinburg. On booking.com, it's a 9.2. This is a budget hotel. It has 19 rooms, not far from the Parkway. You saw our drive in from the Parkway. The back of the village is just right around the corner. We will walk up there and show you how long it takes to get there. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's take a look at the office when you arrive here at Marshall Creek. No pets are allowed. Let's just go in. If you need assistance, let's call that number. Cute little office, guys. Plenty of brochures, coffee machine, chairs, more brochures over there, and your check-in desk. And if you need coupon books, like we always tell you, make sure to pick these up. It'll save you money. Also beside the office is the vending machine featuring Coke, $2 each, and the ice machine. 19 rooms in here. Let's just walk around and show them all to you, the entrance at least. Can't go in them. It says 20, but the reason there's not 20 is they skipped number 13. And they're doing some remodeling here, so there might be some boards and stuff around. There's 20. Look at the outside though. How it all looks kind of like you're at a cabin, but yet you're in a motel. The rooms have that rustic look to them, and on their website, that's what it says. Relax in rustic luxury. Everyone has a rocking chair out front. Maybe you guys haven't noticed this yet, or maybe you have. Look at the doors. Screen door. Did you have a screen door on your house, Bobby?
Yeah, we did have one growing up.
Did you ever put your fingers through it?
No.
Okay, that's pretty
I
good.
got in trouble.
I did. I did get in trouble. Ran my fingers through it. Well, that's pretty neat. You don't see that very often. And we are in room 17. And they're remodeling these rooms right past us. That's the other two. We will head in just a second. Noticed a lot of fire extinguishers too on the outside. Great safety feature. There's one there. I think there's one up here on the other end at this room. Yep, there's another one. Let's head into our room. That way we can show you one of the styles of rooms they have. Wow, as soon as you walk in, it feels like you're walking into a cabin, not a motel. Let's go over it. First thing, when you come into the room, have some info. The main thing on this that you need to know is you cannot smoke in front of your room. It's a $250 charge to your card. There's another area for you to smoke. We'll show that to you. And the Wi-Fi password is on this. What's your first impressions of this room?
I like the way they have it decorated. It does remind you of a log cabin instead of a hotel. When you first come in, you can smell the pine. And they told us that was real pine. I like the fireplace. The lights are bright in here too. It's not dark. So it's very pretty, I think. I like the lamp with the bears.
What do you think about these windows though? When's the last time you have seen those in a motel or hotel?
I don't think I've ever seen them in a hotel. That would be nice. You could put those up and get some fresh air in. Listen to the creek over there.
The old latches. Screened windows, guys. All right, let's go back in this corner first and just start over here. Luggage rack and a few chairs, and we will talk about those in a minute. Bobby's using this rack for your clothes to hang her jacket up. heating and cooling unit.
Notice that there's no carpeting in here. This is easier to clean up, mop and stuff. It just feels cleaner to me, I think, than carpeting.
And that's new. That's what they said. It's a decent sized TV. Coffee maker. Look at the ice bucket. Normally just see those metal ones. And this unit kind of matches everything too. Microwave, clean drawers, and decent sized fridge.
And it's cold.
And we have this area. Cold is good. Look at the door that goes into the bathroom.
That's pretty neat. They have a table that gets set up right here, and they have the chairs that go along with it. You can sit there and eat. There's a good bit of room right there.
There is. Back up and show you guys. They did a good job of using what space they have in these rooms. These rooms are very cute.
And the table's just on the wall. You can just take that down. It's hanging
Show
there.
you. Yeah, it's just sitting here, just like this. Just like that, just hanging on that. That way you could bring some food back from the parkway and eat here. But I would probably want to eat outside if I was going to do that. Mirror, but I'm really liking that trash can.
That's different.
It is different. Queen size beds. When we booked the room, we booked it as double beds because there was not an option to have 2 queen beds in your room. They told me they are upgrading the double beds to queen size beds. So that's even better. The bedding is hypoallergenic, Egyptian cotton sheets, and a pillow top mattress.
Set on the bed. Feels firm. I'm anxious to see how soft these will be. They feel really soft. Now, I usually like white sheets, but I understand the reasoning, probably getting the darker sheets. It just matches the theme of the room.
Ooh, that does feel soft.
I don't think white would go well with like a cabin look, would
Probably
it?
wouldn't. How about the bear theme on top on that comforter?
Very pretty. I mean, they got a lot of detail in this room.
Just the backdrop though, with the picture and the bear lamp, just add to it.
Ready to check out the bathroom?
Yep, just 1 second, let me go over here. There's the lamp. Wireless charging stations, couple outlets. Your remotes to control everything in here. There's your picture.
And you have the fireplace.
That throws off some heat. I had it on a little bit ago. That's kind of what we have at home. We have one in our game room and it can heat up pretty good sized area. It's very cute. Says it's rustic on their ad, and it definitely is.
The rolling doors.
Now it has a hair dryer in it. On the sign by the door, it says if you need a hair dryer, an iron, or an ironing board, contact someone at the office. Maybe you don't have to anymore. Just keep that in mind. Towel rack. They're pretty and they're bright. What do you think of the mirror?
It's a decent sized mirror. The lights are bright, so that's nice when you try to put your makeup on.
Another great idea for space saving in here.
Looks like they have some soap and lotion.
Tub and shower combo. All the towels we will need. Different flooring in here. That matches really well. There's your latch. And the one thing I've really noticed in this room is how clean it is.
Yes, it is very clean. I like the bright lights they have in here.
They're very bright, especially these 4.
Makes the room light up.
It does. I'm happy we booked this room. It was $71. We got it on booking.com. All the rooms are $71, whether you get the queen single room or the family suite that has 3 beds in it and 2 different rooms. we'll tell you about our stay when we end this. One thing you will not find here is a continental breakfast or a fitness center. That's okay, because you can just walk a few hundred yards down the road to get some donuts at the donut fryer. If you're eating donuts, you don't need a fitness center. They have a kiddie pool that is directly in front of me, and the larger pool ranges from 3 to 8 feet. You don't normally see one that deep anymore. So if you want to sit outside and relax, they have you covered on that.
I like this area over here, John. It has the swing, those chairs rock, and they have a fire pit. Be nice to sit out here tonight and just listen to the water. Good time to sit outside because there shouldn't be any bears this time of the year.
Shouldn't be. I bet you there's a few out there. I bet you we'll see you in that later. I like these chairs. That's as close as you want to get to a bear.
That's right.
There's a fire pit. Walk around here and sit in one of these, Bobby. You can get a little closer.
Probably sit by the fire pit for a little bit because it's kind of chilly right now. But this evening it'll really be chilly.
That's peaceful.
Pretty.
I might just sleep out here tonight. I could sleep listening to this. Get in there and try that out. Does it fit you?
It does. Might be some room over here for you.
Okay. I see a bear coming down through there. Over here she is, guys.
Last time we were in this area, remember I found a bear claw.
You did. Took it home.
Showed the grandsons.
Maybe we'll find a
They
bear
liked
claw
it.
tonight. Baskin Creek. Peaceful.
This is a smoke-free hotel, so this is where you would come sit if you smoke. This place for your house.
We're gonna walk down to the back of the village and I'll tell you how long it takes to get there. Bobby's gonna use her stopwatch on her phone. Find out. Let's head down. How long was it?
4 minutes and 7 seconds.
That's not bad. Some people might walk faster than we do. Besides being at the back of the village, right there's the main parkway. There's Anakista. So you're within a 4 to 5 minute walk to everything in Gatlinburg. And it didn't cost you any money to park. A lot of places it's $15 to $20. We passed one back there that said 15 on it. Anakista, and that is Ripley's straight ahead. 2 major attractions close to the Marshalls Creek Motel. When you come into town, this is where you're going to turn to head up to where the hotel is. Pretty good location, guys. One of the better locations in town. Looking up on the hill, you can see the lift. It heads up to Anakista. Parking at Marshalls Creek, you have your own parking spot. Each room has an individual number. except there's one extra number down here, 21. It's not 21 rooms. Maybe that's in case somebody has an extra car. There's another area to relax by Baskin Creek. More of those same chairs we saw in the other spot. Swing. And some steps headed down. You want to get closer. Walking along Baskin's Creek, I came up on this sign that tells the history of this place. It used to be called Bearskins Creek. They wrote this in a different dialect. Feel free to pause the video and read it. You'll get a kick out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed our tour of the Marshall's Creek Rest Motel in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. What did you think about it, Bobby?
The room was clean. I slept well because of those soft sheets they had on the bed. It was very comfortable. The bathroom needs some counter space. There isn't any. The shower had good water pressure and it was hot. There is no smoking in the rooms, but they have a nice place that you can set out by the water. It's walking distance from the restaurant, shops, and attractions, so you don't have to worry about parking. I would stay here again.
If you're looking for a place to stay in Gatlinburg and want that cabin feel, but you want to stay in a motel, this is the place for you. It just gives you that vibe. It's family owned, and I talked to the owner and she is very nice. Now the rooms are small, but they did a great job of how they arranged them. They have that table on the wall if you want to get it out to eat and put the chairs up. I think it's designed more for a smaller family or 2 adults. If you have a larger party, they do have one room that has 3 beds and will accommodate 6 adults. It is a family suite. It costs a few dollars more than the other rooms cost. You will see that coming up on your screen here in just a second. Right there it is. And they do not allow any pets. They have no breakfast, but you're 4 minutes away from the pancake pantry or the donut fryer. Who needs breakfast when you're staying here? They have an outside pool, and it's a budget-friendly motel. Now, I looked up some of the prices. We paid $71, I think it was, for February. But looking into June and July, it looks like the prices range from $90 to $100 on the weekdays, $160 on the weekends. In August, about $88 on the weekdays, up to $150 on the weekends. Now, this varies. There's different prices. You just need to go to the Marshall's Creek Rest Motel website, and you can get all that info. Right now is a good time to come because the prices are very cheap. But I love this place because park your car, you could just walk to everything, and that's what this place is all about. Location, location. And I definitely would stay here again.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again, J&B have left the building.